speeding a lot. Yikes. Okay. So here I go. This is fun. This is good time. Good time. Alright. So I'm a little bit scared now because this is not the park that I thought it was that I'm going to. Fee self-register. I just want to like hang out at the park, bro. Can I do that? Ugh. This road said it was open, or didn't say it was open, said it was not closed. Yeah. And I really don't know if I'm supposed to be over here. There's like construction stuff all around. I don't know if you can see that. No, I don't know. Beach Miners Retreat. Not a miner. In the sense that I dig gold or whatnot. But I don't really want to be at the beach either.
You've arrived.
Okay, guess who's turning around now? There's deer just standing there, and I think I scared them a little bit, but there they are. I'm now parking, and I'm gonna take a nature walk on the path. Ugh. Okay, here we go. Here's my parking spot, right by a nice little bench. Whew. The deer is still over there just looking at me. So I was gonna try to feed the deer a snack if I could get close enough, but it ran off to be with its buddy. I saw another deer tail in the woods and it just trotted off after it. So I didn't scare it off, but I just wanted to go play tag or whatever. Tail. Oh yeah. Deer prints. Wonder if they were from our furry friends. Wow. Bigfoot around here. I don't know which way to go. Found a bridge. Look what I found. Woo! Did it! Done with my adventure, and now I'm at church. So yeah.